In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Incognito window on Brave browser. If you're looking for a quick way to browse the web without saving your browsing activity on your device, then this tutorial is for you. In this guide, I'll show you how to open an Incognito window, also known as a private window, in Brave browser. This feature is useful when you want to browse more privately, especially on a shared computer because your browsing history, cookies, and site data are not stored once the private session is closed. To get started, launch Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to open completely. Once the browser window is visible, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This area contains the browser menu where you'll find several options related to navigation, customization, and privacy settings. Click the menu icon to reveal the available options. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled New Private Window. Select it and Brave will immediately open a separate private browsing window. As soon as the new window appears, you'll know that you're browsing in private mode. This special browsing session is designed to help keep your activity local to that window. Any websites you visit, pages you view, cookies that are created, and temporary site data collected during the session will not remain on your computer after the private window is closed. It's important to remember that private browsing prevents information from being stored on your device after the session ends, making it a convenient option when using a public or shared computer. Once you're finished browsing, simply close the private window and the session data associated with it will be removed. If you'd like to open a private window even faster, Brave also provides a keyboard shortcut. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N together. Using these shortcuts can save time and allow you to access private browsing instantly without opening the menu. And that's all there is to it. Opening an incognito or private window in Brave browser is a simple process that takes only a few seconds and gives you a convenient way to browse without leaving local browsing records behind after the session is closed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.